Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Triple Supertrend Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, now this is how the indicator looks like. Alright, it's used to identify the potential trend in the market. Okay, so let's quickly go to the input settings, and we can see you can modify the settings according to your taste, right? Time frame, period, multiplier, and all of that, right? Alerts, the colors, and so on and so forth. Okay, so when you have the momentum prevailing as bullish, right, you will notice the green histogram bars. Okay, when it is clearly bullish, you will notice these consistent green histogram bars, and then you can see at this point when the appearance of these red bars in the middle section, when it came up, it showed a potential pullback, right? And then you can see it turned back green all through, showing strong bullish momentum. All right, and then when the momentum turned bearish, you can see how the upper section, the lower section also, sorry, the upper section and middle section turned red, the lower section turned orange, right? So you can see that it showed that the momentum was strongly bearish. Okay, so just pay attention to the consistency across the three layers of the histograms. Okay, so when you have all three green, that should be when you should be looking out for buy opportunities. When you have all three red, or well, in this case the first layer and second layer red, and then the third layer orange, right, you can be looking out for sell opportunities in that case. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. All right, so in the meantime, thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.